Hey guys, this is part 2 of doing my makeup. So I think we have to add more blush. Yeah, this is a big amount, but we have to add. We have to add. Okay. I actually put a little bit of more concealer, but we don't know. Okay, now we're gonna put the lip gloss as I said. And I hope you guys have track on the part 1 and part 2. And the part 1, I didn't really put in the title part 1, but yeah, it doesn't matter because, guys, I just posted the part 1, so, and I'm doing the same day as the part 1 to part 2, so, yeah. Let's put some lip gloss. I need to catch all of it. Done with the lip gloss, we have to do it again after putting this. Oh no, I forgot to put, guys, I forgot to put the filter on, but at least we made a good progress. Oh. Okay. A little bit more. Oh. A little bit more glossy. It's really so much. It feels so glossy. But it doesn't matter. Wait. Actually, I think I have a tiny bit left up here, so let's see if we can use it. Wait. I still have the filter. Okay. I can't really see. Oh my god. If only. Oh my god. Okay, I done pretty good.